Hi guys, welcome to Elementary Spanish 1. My name is Mrs. Curry, Maestra Curry, and I will be your professor this semester. I just wanted to give you an overview of the first module of this course, which will start the Capítulo Introductorio. In this module, we will be looking at saludos and the present tense of ser. What you should expect for this chapter is to have, you're going to go through the book that you can see on the screen, and there will be links throughout that you'll click on for further instruction, and those links will be very helpful to you. Once you get through all those links, you can do the homework assignments and then go on to the video assignment, which will have some questions embedded so that I can gauge your understanding. There's also a quiz at the end of each module, and once you take that, then we can kind of move forward to the next module.